Hi, good people. Hi, beautiful people. This is your girl again, Randy. If you are new to my channel, please make it a point that you take a chair, sit down, enjoy everything, and please don't forget to
Okay,
drink water
thank
and
you.
subscribe to this
You know
channel.
what? I'm just not gonna be too long. I've got questions that I normally receive or I normally get from people asking me, and I just decided that at least let me just make a vlog, record, and hopefully it's gonna be helpful to other people. And the reason why I try to do this is because I feel like a lot of people, they do want to be like me, they do want to travel a lot, but they actually don't know where to start. Okay, right, I've got questions here that I've prepared that I normally get from people. There's five questions. I'm not gonna be too long. And the first question is, what is traveling and what does it mean to you? Oh, okay, traveling. All right, traveling, it's moving from one point to another. You can move from one city to another city, one province to the other province, one country to another country, one continent to another continent, and that falls under the name of traveling.
And there are
And we've
few
got few
modes
modes
of
of
traveling.
traveling.
You can travel using your own yacht, your own private jet, your car, your bus. Yes, some people are owning yachts, guys. They can actually travel using their own yacht. That is traveling. And yeah, again, you can travel using a communal boat, a bus, or an airline. That is traveling. And traveling, it's
Oh
broad,
yes,
and
by the
there
way,
are
if
you
you
are to
things that we
travel.
need to know.
And if you're gonna enjoy your traveling, or if you want to have a beautiful stay at your destination, you just need to make it a point that you know about the place that you're traveling to, you know the culture of the place that you are going to, and obviously that's gonna make your traveling very easy. And what does traveling means to me? Oh my goodness, traveling means a lot to me. Traveling, like, it means the world to me. It's part of my life. I would say you can't separate myself and traveling. If I'm to leave my job and travel the world, I think I'll be the happiest girl in the world. If I can have superpowers, I'm gonna do traveling. I'm gonna do travel the entire world. By the way, I've got the second question. Have you traveled outside South Africa? If yes, where have you been? Oh my word! I'm in Dubai right now. Hey, I'm in the United Arab Emirates. Yes, this is your girl. I love traveling. Yes, I've been outside the country. I've been to few countries in South Africa. Sorry, in Africa. I've been to Mozambique, Swaziland, Botswana, Lesotho, Zimbabwe, and I've been to Mauritius, and as well as the United Arab Emirates. So now I'm in Dubai. Last time when I was in the United Arab Emirates, I was in Abu Dhabi. But honestly, in the United Arab Emirates, I do enjoy Dubai more than anything else. Definitely Dubai is it. I just enjoy Dubai. I can't lie to you. And then the third question is, what was your favorite and a memorable holiday destination? Of course, Dubai. Dubai. you know, Dubai is everything, guys. I would advise a lot of people must just come, enjoy Dubai. There's a lot of activities that you can do. But yeah, and as well as Mauritius, I did enjoy Mauritius because Mauritius was one of my surprise holiday trips. As someone would ask, how was it a surprise? Okay, I only knew that I am going to Mauritius when I was already at the airport at the check-in point. Can you imagine? Okay, fine. I only knew that I was going to Mozambique, and when we arrived at the airport, I was like, okay, we are flying to Mozambique, because yeah, I knew that we fly, actually we're going out of the country, but I was told that we're just going to Mozambique. Okay, when I get to the airport, as we were standing on a queue, I thought maybe we're flying Air Mauritius to Mozambique or what. I didn't understand. Sorry. So when we reached the checking point, they gave me my boarding pass. Oh my goodness, I was going to Mauritius. That was one hell of a day. The day that I will never forget in my life. I can't lie. In Mauritius, I also had fun. I enjoyed my life. I wouldn't mind to go back to Mauritius timelessly. I wouldn't mind go there, enjoy and have fun. Mauritius is a beautiful country. It's a beautiful island. I would advise people to go to Mauritius. And then the fourth question, what are the bad and good experience you have came across with when traveling? Okay, guys, I've never encountered any bad experience because I'm one person. If I'm to travel, I make it a point that I learn, I make my homework, I investigate, I go through Google, I ask people what kind of a place I'm going to, or if it's a country, what kind of a country I'm going to, how is their culture there, what is the food they're eating, what is required of me to go there. Do I need a visa, or I'm just exempt to go to that country? Because there are countries whereby you do need a visa to go to. You can't just enter that country. Just like Dubai, you do need to apply. If you're a South African, you do need to apply for a visa for you to come to Dubai. So yeah, I make my thorough homework. So that's why I've never had any bad experience when it comes to traveling. And I'll advise a lot of people that before you leave the country, make it a point that you find out, you ask around, you go to Google and find out what kind of a country are you actually going to, what kind of people, what is their culture, actually what are they doing, how must I dress up, So I know such things, they might sound very stupid, but I know definitely they will help you. For future reference, make it a point that you do your homework very well before you travel to any other country in the world. And the good experiences, oh my word, some countries are beautiful, some countries are so beautiful. So yeah, I've experienced a lot of things, different food, and yeah, what I've enjoyed so much, that was the first time, the food that I ate the first time in the United Emirates was hummus, almost, I don't know how to pronounce it. Yeah, I still love it. That is the food I've learned in in the United Arab Emirates. So yeah, those are type of things that I would say I've enjoyed. They are beautiful beaches, they beautiful skydiving, they've got a lot, they are beautiful building. The country, it's so well structured, I can't lie to you. I would say it's heaven. Dubai is heaven. I can't lie to you. Okay, what is our last question? Who does your travel itineraries? I do my own travel itineraries. Number one, I first book my own flights. Remember that I'm in a traveling business, so I do my own flights, I book my own hotels, and I also check what are the tourist attraction, what can I do when I arrive at that country, and what must I expect. So yeah, I basically do my own itineraries, and trust me, I never disappointed myself. I always have best itineraries ever. Like, I've never had any single problem ever. So yeah, I would advise a lot of people to start traveling, enjoying life, and knowing other countries, their culture, their norms, their beliefs, because in South Africa, Christianity is actually the most popular thing, and of which in other country like this one, it's, oh, is it Islamic? Yeah, because most people here are Islams. How am I saying it right? Muslims, sorry, they Muslims. Yeah. So yeah, you just need to know a lot of things. So yeah, I'm enjoying it in Dubai. I'm still gonna be here for another week, and then I go back to South Africa. But honestly, do love traveling a lot, but I cannot trade South Africa for anything else. I don't want to leave South Africa. Yeah, I can be out of the country for a year or 2 years, but after that, I would really, really, really love to go back home. All right, guys, thank you. Hope you're gonna enjoy my vlog, and hopefully, it has helped you a lot. So the next video that I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna dwell much on traveling, what are travel documents, what you should do in order for you to travel. So I'm just gonna be dwelling much on that one. But for now, guys, thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because there's a lot of things that we're gonna be talking about, a lot of things that we're gonna be discussing. I'll be having my guest around to come discuss some of the issues with me. So please don't forget to subscribe. Love you. Thank you.